Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Blackpink Jennie's plushie. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with the curve across at the top. Then from both ends, we're going to bring it down and curve it in. And then close it off at the bottom with the curve across. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and draw the face. Let's start with 2 circles for the eyes. And then inside, let's add another circle on the top left. Now top up on top of each eye, and let's draw a wavy line over and up. Now let's curve it back in underneath. And then on top of the eyes, let's add one more curve up. And then a small black dot on top of the right eye. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move to the center and draw the nose. Let's start with a small line across and a V-shaped point underneath. And then let's hop down and let's draw 2 curves out for the mouth. Now we're going to hop to the sides and we're going to draw an oval for the cheeks. Now that we're done the face, we're going to move to the top of the head and draw some hair. Let's start with a curve down on the right. And then for the left piece, let's draw a wavy line down and over. And curve it back up at the end. Next, let's hop to the top of the head and draw the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And the same on the right side. And let's add another curve in the same way inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Underneath the head in the center, let's draw 2 lines down and a curve at the bottom. Now let's hop out and let's draw a set of curves down and then curve it back in and up. Now inside, let's draw a curve down and bring it in at the bottom. Now to continue the scarf, let's hop out and we're going to draw a small curve down underneath each side of the head. And then curve it in. And that's it for the scarf. Now underneath, let's start drawing the shape of the body. On both sides, let's draw 2 curves down. And then at the bottom, let's draw a curve across in the center. Now underneath this line, let's draw 2 small lines down and curve it out at the bottom. Now let's hop out and let's bring it down and curve it in. And then close off the bottom of each leg. Now that we're done the legs, let's hop back up and draw the arms. From the sides of the scarf, let's draw a curve down and bring it in. And then inside each arm, let's draw a large oval. And then 3 small circles at the ends. And that's it for the arms. Lastly, let's move inside and let's draw a large heart on the belly. And that's it for Jennie's plushie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!